Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the exact steps to catch the reindeer shark in the Fish It Christmas update. So this rare bass only spawns in cold waters, and here I'm going to show you where to find it. So first, for the rods, I'm using the ghost fin rods with a corrupt bait to get the fish. And for the location, you need to go inside the Christmas cave in the Christmas Island. As you know that it's only open every 2 hours and it's only open for 30 minutes. So just teleport to the cave once it's open. And there are 2 fishing spots in the Christmas cave. One at the bottom on the right and the other one at the top. So I actually got it in this location. So just try your luck in here to get the fish. So guys, that's how you can get the reindeer shark in Fish It. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next tutorial.